this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to reheat your slices of leftover turkey breast in the air fryer. Well, before we dive into this recipe, I just wanted to suggest that you head over to RecipeThis.com. We've got more than 1,200 kitchen gadget recipes, including recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread maker, microwave, Ninja Foodie, and many others. We also have a free weekly newsletter, which you can find on the homepage of RecipeThis.com, or you can find it on RecipeThis.com/newsletter. And there you can get our best kitchen gadget recipes sent to your inbox every Friday morning. Before we dive into this recipe, I just wanted to explain to you where this recipe idea came from and how this is an easier version of it. My chef husband Dominic is an absolutely amazing cook, and one thing that he's always cooked for us on Boxing Day for the day after Christmas with the leftover turkey is homemade flatbreads, and then loading them up with leftover turkey, mayonnaise, tomatoes, etc. And it's just absolutely amazing. And if you do fancy making your own homemade flatbreads, check out RecipeThis.com, because we have both the flatbread recipe using the bread machine so that you can just dump the ingredients in there, and we've also got cooking them in the air fryer. But if you want a quicker alternative, then this is what today's recipe is all about. And that is, instead of using homemade flatbreads, then to grab some of your leftover tortilla wraps instead. These are actually the Weight Watchers brand, and they're just the perfect size for loading in some of your leftover turkey into the air fryer and then serving it up with some mayonnaise and some tomato. It's just so nice. Unfortunately, we're out of cheese right now, otherwise it would have cheese in there as well. So, this is the leftover turkey breast we've got. We've still got quite a lot left. I mean, have a look at that. Because we just cooked one in the Instant Pot, though you can also cook them in the air fryer as well, and they're just amazing. So what you do is you get out your air fryer basket, and then you load it up with your turkey breast. You can do as much or as little of it as you want, and then you can season it again, unless you know if it's well seasoned already, it doesn't need anything. And if it's going into a sandwich with mayonnaise, it doesn't need anything either. But if, say, you're using it just to do a warm turkey salad, I would recommend drizzling it with a bit of balsamic vinegar, because otherwise it's more likely to dry out. And then once you've done that, place back in, turn it on, and then you're looking for a temperature of 160 Celsius, that's 320 Fahrenheit. And then you're looking for a cook time of about 4 minutes. And then press start. And we've beeped. Wow. Lovely warm through turkey. Absolutely brilliant for that. You know, if you haven't thought about that before, you can do the same with loads of different meats. Let's say you cooked our top side or our rump roast, then just think that you could do this with them and make them into wraps. So, turkey to one side. Don't know about you, but I absolutely love my Hellmann's mayo. And then let's add some sliced tomato. And then, of course, got to add the salt. Tomato's just so boring without salt. Trying a little bit of chives, a little bit of mayo on the top. And we're done. So I may have put a bit too much in here. Let's see if I can wrap it up. Perfect wrap in the air fryer. And of course you can warm up the wraps in the air fryer too, if that's your thing. Oh, this is lovely. Warm turkey in the air fryer, you can't beat it. It's just absolutely amazing. Maybe one tomato slice next time instead of two. But I love my tomatoes. I just need a big plate now so I don't drop the tomato juices everywhere, but absolutely lovely. And now you know how to reheat turkey in the air fryer. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.